What's up, MB? What's happening, bro? I need a... Hello. Hello, hello. Yo, yo, yo. What's up, bro? What's up, MB? What's for buyers for today? Right now, it's a bit mixed, in my opinion, because... Yo, Jack, thank you for the... Yo, what the fuck? Thank you for the 300 diamonds. My gosh. My brother, thank you very much. You hear me? Yeah, all good. It was just TikTok that I think I had the mic muted. But bias for today is a bit mixed because overall, of course, after the news yesterday, price did move up. And as well this morning. So we had this, obviously, liquidity grab yesterday. Price shot up, retraced, and then continued bullish this morning. And now we've kind of consolidated again. Now it's starting to pull back a bit. So overall, like the higher time frame here, again, this could just be a pullback, you know, bearish continuation. We got highs, high lows. Now we have low highs, lower lows, potential lower highs in this area to continue bearish. Now we've had a break of structure, a shift of structure on the 4-hour time frame. Obviously, price has been coming up here, so lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We've now had a bearish candle. We've now broke that structure, right? That bullish, that short-term bullish structure. So yeah, I'm a little bit conflicted right now. Obviously, because of this move, this bullish move from news, right, which is important as well. Bullish move from news, but now we're breaking structure to the downside. So I'm seeing a potential short-term pullback. Whether this is a liquidity grab underneath these areas right here to continue bullish, or whether we just break structure here, continue bearish, or whether we just grab liquidity, start shooting up past this level and continue bullish. I'll be waiting for either one of those. Appreciate you, Jack. That's legendary, bro. Holy shit. 300 diamonds he just dropped. I would really like you to teach me. Is it something you can do? I'm also from Melbourne. In person, I'm not really doing. I've never done in person. It's not really something I'm thinking about, like, anytime soon. But maybe one day. What's up, D? What's up, Sheriff? Took some gold boys. Managed to get 50 pips. Nice. Brazil. What's up, Brazil? Roger Boone. From Brazil. Is moving slow right now? Yeah, it's moving pretty slow. Yo, Jolie, appreciate the follow, man. I mean, the move kind of happened, I think, for London session during Asian session. You had that pre-London move to the upside here. Well, pre-London. During Asian session today, price just shot straight up. So this was really the move that really you'd want to see during London session, a high volume session. Whereas now you've had that move, the volume has come in and now it's died down a little bit and we're kind of just pulling back slowly, but Brazil in the house. Da, 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 da. How do I get rid of that? Yeah, you're still dropping the diamonds, bro. Let's go. But yeah, what a week, man. What a week. Incredible week. Hamada, Senor Ripper, 69. Appreciate the follows, man. So guys, this week in the VIP Telegram, 2.5 profit, 2,500 profit right here. All called out live in the Telegram channel right here. Those are all the trades that I took, sent out to the team right there. That was the aftermath. That was the result right there. 2.5k on the week. And that's just on the swings. That's just in the VIP channel. That's not even on gold. On gold, I did 1.5. Unless I take a trade today, which is very unlikely. Your number go up when you get donations. Viewers, do they? I have no idea. Is that how it works? Is that how it works? Jack. I mean, if that's how that works, that's awesome. So I appreciate that, man. This is loading. We'll wait for the Discord to load. Pretty sure? Alright. Wow, appreciate it, bro. Harrison, appreciate the follow. That's kind of crazy. That's kind of a glitch right there. I could just get my wife to just sit in the other room, drop in heavy donations, just get the viewers pumping. Yeah, this was... Wait, was that it? Man, I'm tired today. End of the week, you know? I was like very close to just not streaming. There was one more. But yeah, that's my results on gold this week, trading the V5, the indicator. Right here, 1.5 profit. A couple of small losses, one big winner. That's how it's done. So, all in all, from the VIP channel, from the VIP Telegram, and the V5 indicator, just over 4k this week. What's up, Laser? Pablo, Masso, Tutelicious. Tutilicious. Tutilicious? What is that? Appreciate the follows, guys. Thank you very much. Jackie's just dropping straight diamonds after diamonds. Yeah, this is a... I wouldn't say it's a key level, but this is definitely a level right here now. This would be the break, the shift of structure, right? You've got this nice trend moving to the upside, creating higher highs, high lows, and then boom, we stop here. So instantly that has created, although it's created a higher low, it's created over here now a lower high, right? So you've already been letting on what the next potential move is going to be, right? The market's already telling you, and then price comes down, boom, engulfing candle, break structure. So now this is the shift of structure, right? Because the bullish structure, now we've shifted structure to the downside. As long as we stay below this area, right? You want price to stay below this area in order for it to continue bearish, in my opinion. Waiting for gold to wake up, yeah, it has been a bit like that. That's why, you know what, crypto, that's why I literally haven't even looked at gold for the last 2 days now. Yesterday during CPI and today. And like I was, this like starting up the stream right here, loading up this chart is, I did some quick analysis. Yeah, this is XAU USD CPM. I just had a quick look, did some quick analysis, but you know, this is the first time I looked at gold today. And like I was saying to one of the members earlier, in the Discord. Sometimes, you know, when you talk about discipline, people, when related to trading, people often think what I'm saying when I'm talking about discipline is being disciplined within your trades, right? Not taking the trades that don't align with your strategy or things like that, right? But being disciplined is also, and more importantly, knowing when not to trade, right? Having that kind of discipline as a trader is very hard, because so many traders, they think they have to look at the charts every single day and take a trade or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 trades every single day, right? Most traders do not have the discipline to look ahead at the market and look at the news and say, oh, CPI today or CPI tomorrow. You know what? I'm just not going to trade Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm going to let the market settle down and then I'll come back next week, right? No, most people do not have the discipline to do that. They're like fiends. They're like sugar fiends. They need their hit, you know what I mean? They're just staring at the charts all day like, oh, no, like, I can't not trade today, man. The market's open, you know? So what I did the last few days was pretty much sat it out. Yesterday, I completely sat it out. And today, the same. And sometimes you just have to have the discipline to do that. Sometimes you just have to look at what is happening on that pair that week and just say to yourself, you know what? Instead of trying to trade it this week and potentially losing money and losing the profit that I've had and the progress that I've had, the CPI, you know, shit's gonna go crazy. There's PPI then tomorrow, like this week. You know what? Monday, Tuesday, I'll trade, right? And that's what I said. Monday, Tuesday, I'll trade. And on Monday is where I had that trade right there, right? That was those first 2 trades were from Monday, as you can see, the same day, the 7th, and then this one was from Tuesday. So sometimes you just have to have the discipline to just not trade, right? Know when to not trade. That is also having discipline. And that is how you're going to be able to maintain your profitability and your consistency over a long period of time. Because, again, speaking from experience, right? When I say these things, I'm not trading CPI, I'm not trading NFP, or I'm not trading on days with CPI, or I'm not trading on days with NFP or interest rates. It's not just because I feel like it. It's because I've experienced it. I understand how the markets move around this time, right? And I understand it can get very tricky, very choppy. Most of the time, like I said, 80% of the time, you will end up having a losing trade, or end up losing some amount of money. So it's best long term to just, you know what, I'm going to sit it out. I'm going to let the markets do its thing, and then I'll come back on Monday. Next week should be smooth sailing. Smooth sailing should be. Let me have a look. USD, yeah, core retail sales, yeah, you know, it's not until Thursday. US bank holiday on Monday. Okay, so we got a US bank holiday on Monday, so probably we'll sit that one out again, right? So I've had Thursday, Friday, now Monday, 3 days in a row, right? Or Wednesday as well, because wasn't Wednesday, what was Wednesday? FOMC maybe? But like 3 or 4 days in a row where I'm just not even going to trade. And most traders cannot do that. They don't have the discipline. They have to look at the charts. They have to trade. But yeah, next week should be pretty smooth sailing, to be honest. Sorry guys on TikTok. You can't even see what I'm looking at. This is next week. Just the 3 here on Thursday, late Thursday, 11:30 p.m. Core retail sales, and unemployment claims. Mike, Mohan, Lebo, Guyver, Eddie, Edgy, Misty. Appreciate the follows on TikTok. But yeah, what a week. Beautiful week, man. Very happy with this week. Very happy with the progress I'm making still as a trader. You know, I've been doing this up or not. What do you mean, up or not? I've been doing this for 8 years. And still every single day is a new lesson to me. It's a new teaching, new lesson. I'm still learning every single day. And that's how everyone should be. Open-minded to still learn every single day, even this deep into the game. XAU bias. Bullish for now. But we are having this current break of structure. So I'm just waiting to see how price reacts around this level, right? Because obviously if it starts bouncing here, comes down. But if price starts to come back above, right, and come back up, then that's a different picture. So I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen. It will be up till the 47 or not. Yo, Trading Master, I appreciate the diamond. You tell me. You tell me, Tony. Do you think it will go to 47 or not? I mean, I wish I could. I wish I could predict the markets like that. I do. GJ, what do you think? GJ. Oh man. GDP. GJ, I think right now is neither here nor there. It's, I would obviously, based on the weekly, I would say that it's quite bullish now. But now this candle, we've obviously, we're Friday coming into New York session, so the weekly candle is pretty much set in, like, you know, set here. So there's no news that's gonna majorly. I mean, there's GDP, which has already happened today, right? So there's nothing that's gonna significantly sway this in any direction. So I would say the weekly candle is gonna be here or around here when it closes. So it's difficult to tell now, because even if you look at the daily time frame, you can see all of this in here. It's just, this is not what you want to be seeing. It's awful price action. But I would say there's a chance it can continue bullish today. It's already really on its way above this level. Man, I can't stop yawning. It's already on its way above this level, so we're just going to have to see. I would wait and see GJ, what's going on at this level here, yeah. That is what I would wait for. But I mean, like I said, the daily is very choppy. Very choppy. If you just have a look at the daily right here. The Investment Center. Jobex Chally, thank you for the follows. This is GJ. Oh. Oh. That's what my daughter does, and now I've started doing it. Whenever she like drops something or does something, she goes, oh, oh. So now that's what I do. How much do you make a day, roughly? A day? I mean, it's not. Again, first of all, I will say, like I always say to these types of comments, I don't track profit in that way. I don't have targets. I don't have daily, weekly, monthly targets. I don't try and make a certain amount a day, or I don't try and trade. I take a certain amount of trades per day. I just trade what I trade. That's it. But this week, in the VIP Telegram, with the trades I sent out here, all the trades that I took on when was that? 9th. So that would have been Tuesday. Yeah, all the trades that I took sent out on Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. No, Tuesday, 8th. So all the trades that I took on Tuesday were posted in the Telegram channel, and that was the results right there. So this week, 2.5. Last week was 1.5, I believe. Last week was 1.5. I don't know. Yeah, last week was 1.5k. This week was 2.5k. And that's just from the VIP. That's from the day trades or the swing trades, right? Whereas I scalp gold separately to that account, and this was my results this week scalping gold, right? Right here. 1.5k. So about 4k this week from the swing trades and the scalp trades on gold. And then last week on gold, last week on gold was a break-even week, and last week in the Telegram channel was it last week? Did I not trade last week? NFP? No, I did trade last week. Did I trade last week? No, I didn't trade last week because it was the week before that was 1.5k. But then I didn't trade last week because it was the new month, new quarter switchover with NFP. So I didn't take any trades in the VIP Telegram channel last week. That's right. The weeks just fly by, man. I just lose track of the weeks so quickly. $2k. Okay, so it was 2k that week. So that was on, yeah, the 24th of September. There we go. So the last time we traded in the VIP was 24th of September, which was before the end of last month. Then last week, because it was the end of the month, end of the quarter, and there was NFP, I didn't trade at all in the Telegram channel. And then this week we went again. So this week, yeah, 2.5, and the previous was 2k profit. So in the last few weeks in the VIP Telegram, it's been about 4.5k profit. That's separate to gold. That's separate to the gold trades that I take because they're two different accounts. I have a swinger trading account, and then I have a scalping account, just so I can keep track of the trades better. Yeah, I'm from Melbourne. I don't know anything about this, but I'm trying to learn. What trading site do you recommend? I recommend for analysis, there's no better than TradingView. But then, of course, if you actually want to start executing on the trades, then you need to sign up to a broker. You don't trade crypto coins? No, I don't trade crypto. Forex, for day trading, Forex is really the place to be. And futures. Forex and futures. What's up, Tommy? Sorry, mate, I didn't see your comment there. Wash and Glow Carpet Cleaners, appreciate the follow. User, appreciate the follow. RT Chucks, your favorite Unk, Kia, Maria, and Keygen. Thank you guys for the follows. Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. Mohammed, Kurdi, Doctor, Arthur, thank you for the follows. Let's go, guys. Appreciate you, man. But yeah, right now, we're just trying to figure out what's happening here with gold. We've got about 2.5 hours left of this 4-hour candle. And what has happened, we've come down, broke structure. That's not, it's just a shift of structure, right? So we come down, we broke structure, we spiked out the lows right here. Now we're flipping back bullish. So that could be a liquidity grab right there below those lows. I have to wait and see. So basically just trade US dollar and Oz gold. Yeah, I will trade Ollie, it's gold, XAU Wankai and Sefa, appreciate the follows. But I trade anything pretty much, Moe, in the Forex kind of space or the commodities space. So you'll see on the trades this week, they were mainly all Forex, right? So, well, they were all Forex. AUD USD, GBP NZD, Euro NZD, USD CAD, GJ AUD CHF, USD JPY, USD CHF, and Euro JPY. So a bit of a mixed bag. Gold has been great this year. Yeah, gold has been crazy. Gold has been beautiful. Chris, thank you for the follow. Yeah, was that on the fifth? Was that this trade right here, Tommy? When I saw this 15-minute signal, I thought of you straight away. Gold's been pretty much slow and choppy. Yeah, it's been very slow and choppy. I mean, we had the move during Asian session, so that's why London session has been choppy, because this was the move right here. But yeah, that was the trade you took. Yeah, literally, as soon as I saw this 15-minute signal, I was like, Tommy would be in that, but he would be out at break even. No worries, Moe. No worries, bro. I'm always here. I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you have any questions, if you want to come and chill, hang out with us, man, we're always here. Thank you for the diamonds as well, man. Diamond. Gold? Yeah, this is gold, Ollie. How to get in the VIP? Join the academy. Is that NAS? Nah, this is XAU USD. How much is a good amount of money to start trading with? I would say to start getting used to a live account, trading real money, I would say $100, right? Just so you can get the feel of trading with real money, your own money, and all the different emotions that come with that. Because you're going to start trading different when you start trading real money. But my advice, if you're just starting, start on a demo account, start taking some trades, start learning about Forex. Don't worry too much about putting any real money into the game just yet, because you're going to just lose that money, which is fine in the beginning, as long as it's not obviously too much, or your life savings or your mortgage or anything like that. Like a $50 here or $100 there, that's fine, right? But I would start off first of all with the demo account, just to practice. Andreas, use that. 3727. Thank you guys for the follows. Ali and Eric as well. Thank you. How long have we been trading for? Just over 8 years now. What broker am I using? I'm using Black Bull Markets. Got tapped out at break even after 15. Yeah, I did see this. I did see this trade when I loaded up the charts just before I started the stream. I mean, you still would have got a decent 33, 34 pips out of it. Yeah, there is more news as well later. We've got PPI. We've got a bit of FOMC members speaking. Yeah, we've got PPI, guys. PPI. We could see a good move for PPI as well, for sure. Nice, Ali. Let's go, bro. Rolex. Rashid, appreciate the follow. All right, Murray. No worries, bro. No worries, man. Or is this reversal? What do you mean, Shrey? What time frame? This is the 15-minute. What do you think is going to happen on PPI? I think what will happen is gold is going to move. That's all we know. There's ways we can anticipate in which way it's going to move. Again, like I've showed you guys previously, the 12-hour time frame, right? 12-hour time frame right here. So let's go back to the previous PPI, which would have been when would that have been? At the start of September somewhere here, maybe this one. No, it'll be this one. Yeah. So, okay, guys, look right here. Okay, this is the previous PPI right here. Okay, during this 12-hour candle. I'll say this and I'll say it once, right? Here's the last PPI on the 12th of September. Okay, it pushed bullish here. It continued bullish past that previous 12-hour candle. And that previous 12-hour candle closed bullish. And gold during PPI continued bullish by 600 and more pips, right? So again, this is a very simple way of understanding, aligning the fundamentals with the technicals, right? Because you already have direction. We talk about the 12-hour time frame consistently and how it gives direction and gives bias for each session. So let's look at another one and we'll see if there's any consistency in here, shall we? My love for you is so strong again. In this example, on the PPI on the 13th of August, you had a previous bearish candle, but price didn't really continue bearish, did it? It just kind of floated around entry and then, open and then closed bullish. So have a look previous to that. Gonna be right here. The one before that, you had a previous, this was your PPI candle. Previous candle was bearish. Price actually did spike out bearish by about 88 pips and then flip back bullish. PPI is this one. So here's PPI from 13th of June. Here's your PPI 12-hour candle. Previous candle closed bearish. The PPI 12-hour candle continued bearish by 200 or so pips. Right? So it's a good way to get your bias, to get your direction for these news events, PPI, NFP, things like that. Try it out. Give it a go. Let's have a look at inflation yesterday, right? Inflation. Perfect example, right? This is the 12-hour this is 12-hour time frame, right? Here is your inflation 12-hour candle. So inflation news dropped during this candle right here, okay? And look at that previous candle. That previous candle closed bullish. The PPI 12-hour candle continued bullish. It's almost like the previous 12-hour candle gave you a clue on where the next candle during PPI is gonna head, right? Headed bullish by 160, 300 or so pips. Bum 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 bum. You know what I'm saying? PPI is expected to rise, meaning a drop in gold price. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. A Telegram? What do you mean, Ollie? You got a Telegram? Yeah, I got a Telegram. I got a free Telegram. You got about 1,320 or so people in here. And then I've got the VIP Telegram. And the VIP Telegram is just where I post all the trades that I take. All the day trades that I take. In real time as well. Before the trades entered. Right here. How do you join VIP? You gotta join the academy. There's a few different options, realist. There's a few different options. Best thing to do is just go check it out on my website. Where gold go now? Gold right now, I think, is waiting for news tonight, PPI, right? But I think the way it's looking, the way it is looking right now, Ollie, just go to my website, bro. The way it's looking right now. All right, so let's just get rid of all drawings, right? Let's just do something real quick. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's have a look at how this monthly time frame is currently playing out. Right, so we've still got 20 days left of the monthly. Previous monthly, obviously strong bullish candle coming up here, creating bullish structure now all the way up for a very long time now, right? Since down here, the 1st of Feb 2024, the monthly has been in this uptrend, creating higher lows. Okay, bullish structure. So this month is no different, right? We're looking like it's trying to continue bullish here, but obviously we have previous highs, previous monthly highs here, right? Previous monthly lows. We got the bodies, body highs, body lows, right? So what the current monthly candle has done is it has come down and created a bottom wick, which is nice, and now it's flipping back bullish, and it's trying to re-break its highs and break previous monthly highs to continue bullish, to continue within this trend, right? It's all it wants to do. Just wants to follow the trend and continue bullish, right? And until that changes, then nothing changes for us. Price is bullish on gold overall, higher time frame, right? If we're looking at the weekly, again, I talked about the weekly in this week's weekly outlook for gold for the members. You can see the patterns that are forming here on gold, right? Very similar patterns coming up, okay? Look at this pattern right here. It's very, very similar, okay? Very similar. So gold is creating patterns right now. It's creating, let me just, yeah, it's creating the same patterns. And it's repeating, right? It's repeating the same patterns again and again. We just have to spot them, right? So this is the inside bar, okay? This is the inside bar candle. You can also see over here, this is an inside bar candle as well. This is a candle pattern, okay? Simple price action candle patterns right here. Inside bar candle. If you don't know what an inside bar candle is, it is this candle right here, okay? This candle right here. This is an inside bar candle because it didn't break the previous candle's high or low, okay? So this is an inside bar candle. This is a sign of like indecision for me in the market, or a potential reversal, because as you can see, price is pushing up here. We have an inside bar and it closes bearish, and then we get that pullback, right? That bearish pullback for 2 weeks. Price pushed up again, volume dying here. We got rejection, volume dying here, rejection. Now you get the inside bar candle again. So this candle right here is the inside bar candle. Didn't break the highs or lows of the previous weekly candle. Closes bearish. And now this week we've continued bearish, spiking out of those previous weekly lows, that inside bar candle lows, by about 200 pips. Same thing that we did over here, right? 200 pips. Exact same almost, right? Then rejected back up, right? Then rejected back up. The only difference with this week's is that it has broken the lows of the inside of the candle that it was inside of, right? That sounds weird. But here's the highs and the lows of that inside bar candle. In this instance, it didn't break the lows, whereas in this one it did, right? So that could be telling. That could be telling. We have to, you know, watch out for that. Again, this could also though be liquidity, right? Because liquidity lies under key candle highs and lows, right? Key candle highs and lows. So what we're doing is we're trying to paint a picture here for gold on what is currently happening, okay? So again, same kind of deal that happened over here. I need some water, man. Is happening over here, right? Same deal, same pattern, same move. To the pip as well. 200 pip break of the lows. 200 pip break of the lows, right? So what could potentially happen from here? If I now turn on this and I put it to a month, 1 month, right, like this, we're now seeing the monthly candles here. We're on the weekly time frame, but these green boxes that you can see are weekly candles, right? If they're green, it means they close bullish. If they're red, it means they close bearish, right? And we have the monthly highs and monthly lows, right? And if we take a look at this pattern again, right, this same pattern that we've seen repeating itself here and here, it happened at the end of the month, right? Happened at the end of the month, right? Very, very simple. So we've had the same pattern happen at the same time, right? This is not rocket science. I'm just pointing some easy things out right here. Can we say that those patterns are pullbacks? Yeah, for sure, for sure. Because if you just look again, if you're just looking at historical price action and you're looking for price to repeat itself, and you look at this pattern and you can see that it's happening the exact same here, we can see that after this pattern occurred over here, price just continued bullish. So is that going to happen again? What's up, Pamash? Is that the Pamash? We can just see that it potentially has potentially can happen again. Yo, bro, it's my B-day today. Can you wish me happy birthday? What's up? What's up, Ada? Happy birthday, man. Not the famous one? Not the quick scoper, no. Ah, well, I mean, you know, still welcome to the stream, bro. But I'm a little bit disappointed you're not the real conversion. Now I'm only joking. The Wix has broken low. Any possibility of going down? Well, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So the only difference, this pattern is literally the exact same as this pattern, and afterwards price continued bullish, right? But the only difference with this the pattern that happened now is it broke out of the inside bar candle lows, right? Whereas this one didn't. So does this mean we're going to see further downside, or does that mean we've broke out of those weekly lows, grab liquidity, and we're going to drive up? Right, we'll just have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see how this weekly candle closes in about 10 hours, right? So now if we go down to the daily, and you can see that the last time this pattern happened, right, which was over here, on the daily, you got that consolidation, right? You got that ranging movement, and then price eventually broke out. And again, we're kind of getting that again in here on the daily as well, right? A little bit of consolidation in here, low volume candles in here. You got low volume candles, and this was this news that caused this breakout. This was PPI. Okay, very interesting, right? I didn't even realize that before, but the last time this pattern happened, the breakout of this consolidation from that pattern happened during PPI, which is today. Okay, coincidentally, and we've already spiked out the lows, potentially, like we've spiked out, broke out, fake out, closed back in. Now we're pushing. So if we're going off previous price action, the last time PPI happened, we broke out of this range. We can potentially start breaking out of this range to the upside as well, which would also align with this pattern happening again, right? And getting this move to the upside here. So we can anticipate for PPI to continue bullish based on that analysis. Maybe a same pattern, we will never know, bro. I mean, yeah. Cody be doing 360 no-scope. Am I going to trade PPI? No, I don't trade PPI, man. I don't trade high impact news events like NFP, PPI. I'll watch them, but I definitely won't be trading them. There's no point in me. I've made over 4K this week, right? Live in the Telegram and on V5. So I don't need to be risking any other money now this week. Like, there's just no point. I've made my profit. I've made more than enough profit for this week. There is no need for me to risk anything and start giving that profit back at this point in the week, late on a Friday. Not something I am willing to do. So this would now be your liquidity. This is where liquidity lies, below this level. If gold starts fading to come up here, we're going to spike down, grab liquidity under here, and then continue bullish during news. All right, remember that. Remember that. Very well explained. Thanks for that. No worries, Kevin. Thanks for explaining. No worries, Mitsuko. That's I love that name. Mitsuko. Profit Pals, T-Rex, Omasi, Aken. Mustafa Afchan, thank you guys for the follows. Kindly jog my brown and jog your brain and reanalyze. Profit pals, I would say yes, but I would also say if you're a complete beginner and you know nothing about trading, if you know the basics of trading and Forex, like what a candle is, what time frames are, what support and resistance is, or what a chart, just the basics about trading. If you learn about brokers and spreads and commission and lot sizes and things like that, then yeah. But if you don't know any of that, if you're literally brand new, then I would recommend going to baby, right? You guys remember this? babypips.com. Okay, babypips.com. And what's going to show up right here is you're going to see new to Forex, right? And then you're going to click start learning. And this is going to give you a 364 lesson free course on all the basics of trading. What is Forex? How do you trade Forex? When can you trade Forex? Who trades Forex? Why trade Forex? Margin trading. Oh, look at that. It knows I've been looking at watches. It just knows. Forex brokers 101. 3 types of analysis, types of charts. Support and resistance level, Japanese candlesticks, Fibonacci, moving averages. Right, everything you need. Important chart patterns. You don't really need that. Market environment, trading breakouts and fakeouts, fundamental analysis, currency crosses, blah 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 blah. So if you don't know anything, about trading, I would recommend doing that. If you know a little bit about trading, then yes, it's good for beginners. When is the news? 11:30 for me, Australian Eastern Standard. So in an hour and a half. Can you post this stream on? Yeah, every stream gets posted on YouTube. What you mean? What? It's the best blocker? What do you mean, Rob? Say the last thing you said on liquidity grab. What did I say? I said, what did I say? I said, okay, what I said was, you see how gold now is currently not really doing anything, right? It's starting to go into like a low volume state consolidation, right? Price is just moving sideways, right? There's no real direction now, right? So we had this move up, now we're consolidating. This is most definitely going to be for news, right? We're going to get that huge movement in the market once news comes out to the upside or the downside. My guess is it's going to continue bullish for news, but something we could potentially see is liquidity here lies below this level. This is where you're going to see liquidity, this level right here, okay, which is 2628180. So if there's no volume here, right, price wants to continue bullish, it needs liquidity. So when news drops, you might see a sharp spike down, right, as you normally see during news. Grab that liquidity and then boom. Same thing that happened last night, right? If we go to my favorite time frame right here and we look at news last night, which was inflation, this is where liquidity would have lay, right? Lay, is that even English? The previous candle was bullish, so straight away you've got that bias that during news price can continue bullish based on what I showed you guys earlier, right? But again, look what happened. Before news dropped, price was consolidating, right? It didn't have any volume. If price wanted to continue bullish, it needs to come down and grab that liquidity from underneath this level, which is exactly what it does right here, okay? Consolidation, news drops, boom, grab liquidity, and then boom to the upside, right? To the upside right there, boom. And I actually posted this in, yeah, right here, look. In the Discord early this morning at 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m. And this is what I talk about in the Academy course, the CPA section. This look how to better understand liquidity grabs, where liquidity lies, right? So that's going to be my guess or my analysis, right? If price can just, obviously PPI can drop and it can just go boom, right? Just straight up. But the fact that we're consolidating here a little bit here, again, same thing as yesterday, means there's not much volume now. But yesterday was a little bit different because it was consolidating for quite a while, right? Up in that area right there. Whereas today, during Asian session, we've already had this move up, right? So there's been volume in the market today so far. Now we're starting to consolidate a little bit. So if PPI comes out and there's not enough liquidity to just start driving up, it's going to spike down into this area and then drive up. Is PPI as volatile as CPI? It really just depends. Generally, it's not, but you can tell that today I think it's going to be more volatile because, again, with all of this consolidation in here and now price consolidating again, and yesterday during inflation it didn't. I mean, we did get this move, but this happened during Asian session today, right? This happened today. Last night, it didn't really move anywhere. It kind of spiked down, spiked up, spiked back down, and all right, it kind of didn't really go anywhere. Then we had the move today. So there's a good chance we're going to continue bullish today, but we're going to have to wait and see. Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. USD CAD been making money. Yeah, I was actually in that trade, iStar. I was in those USD CAD buys yesterday. Look, I made $778.67 right here. I was in those USD CAD buys, my guy. Trust me, when the market is moving, whatever market is moving, I'm in it. You best believe I'm in it. Yeah, Adna. What's my opinion on memcoin? I don't know, man. I don't really get involved in that stuff too much. I have my lane. I stay in my name. What's up, Anna? Sorry, bro. I just saw your message on YouTube. Am I in a trade? No, I'm not in any trade. Didn't trade yesterday because of inflation, and I'm not trading today because of PPI. I do not trade during high impact news. That's it. That's one of my rules that I've had from almost the beginning, when I got absolutely fucked up from trading news, thinking I was the man. Lost a lot of money, and ever since then I made it one of my trading rules to not trade during these high impact events, and it has enabled me to be way more consistently profitable over the last few years. Way more. Honestly, when you sit here, for example, when you sit there on Wednesday and you go, oh man, like I can't trade Thursday and I can't trade Friday because of news, that's boring. Like, I just want to trade. I just want to look at the chart. I'm addicted. You know what I mean? Rather than sitting there and going, you know what? This week has been decent. I've made a little bit of money, or maybe I'm breaking, or maybe I've made a loss. But Thursday and Friday, there's inflation, there's PPI. So, you know what? I'm not going to bother with it. I know from previous experience, price is choppy. Anything can happen. So instead of risking it, I'm going to sit out for the rest of this week and then come back next week, right? That is going to take you, making decisions like that is what is going to change your trading career, trust me. But 90% or even 95% of people cannot make that decision because they are addicted to trading. They're addicted to looking at the charts all day, every day. And they would never even think about not taking a trade that day because of news, right? Because they're so, it's like gambling to people, man. It takes a hell of a lot of discipline to say, you know what, I'm not going to trade today because of news. Well, yeah, Leon, exactly like Jack said, everyone's got to start somewhere, man. And I'm not going to lie to you, it is very, very hard. It's a very difficult path to take, especially in the beginning. Unless, you know, for me, it was quite a lonely journey because there was no one around me who was into trading. No one I could really like get together with and talk to and vibe with. I did join a few groups and things like that, but eventually met people through those groups. So that is a positive about joining a community is like meeting other people. But for a long time, I was just by myself, you know, trying to learn on YouTube and on Google, and it was hard. It is very hard. And once it's even harder once you actually start to understand trading and start to actually trade. It gets even harder. It doesn't get easier, trust me. But like Matt B said, exactly, the question is, how willing are you? If you're sitting there and you're looking at it going, oh man, this is hard, I'm not sure, like it's probably not for you. But if you want to give it your all, is this real? No, it's not. This guy in the TikTok chat just scared me, man. His name is Notifications. And it says, warning, permanent ban will ensue if live video does not end within 5 minutes. Bruh. Keep the lid on, son. Bro. Had to click your name for a second and make, like, your account has 4 followers. Bro, I don't want to get banned again, man. I don't want to get banned again. That shit was awful. I forgot what I was talking about now. Oh yeah, if you want it bad enough, you know, you're not going to look at it and go, oh man, this is hard. If you want it bad enough, if you're dedicated, if you want to learn, if you want to grow, if you want to learn something new, improve, potentially, you know, potentially better your life at some point along the road, then, you know, just get your head down, start working, start somewhere, start learning. And, you know, it's gonna be a long journey. Don't get me wrong. It's gonna be a very long journey, years. But, you know, if you want it bad enough, you'll stick at it. But my God, I was literally, I was a second away from just ending stream abruptly, just like not even saying bye, nothing, just boom, end stream. Because the thing that scared me was, I've had so many messages lately, endless messages from other people streaming on TikTok saying, how are you not getting banned? I've been banned 6 times. I've made 6 different accounts. Every single account has been banned. Like, everybody's messaging me, asking me how I'm not getting banned. And I have no idea. But, so when I saw that, I was like, shit, it's my time. My time has come. Did you learn trading from a mentor? I did take, I did do a course probably about a year into trading, and it was a break and like a support and resistance break and retest course, like a very basic break and retest course. And to be honest, the shit didn't work. For me anyway, personally. It was just like, The course was very simple. It practically went like this. All right, so we're gonna go onto the 4-hour time frame, and what we're gonna look for on the 4-hour time frame is like a key support or resistance level, right? And it would just go like this, and it'll go so like this area right here. This would be a key support and resistance level, right? And then what you want is you want price to break it, and then you want it to retest it. And then when price retests, you're going to go down onto the lower time frames like this, and you're going to look for like an engulfing candle or something, right? Engulfing a bearish or something engulfing candle. So then you'd go onto down to the lower time frame, and you would see that, and then you would see the engulfing candle, and you would enter right there, and you'd put your stop loss there like that or something, and then you would target like a 1 to whatever, right? 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. And from that, and from me just showing you that right there, it actually looks pretty good. But this is rare. I tried doing this shit so many times, but most of the time, once you find your level and like you try and enter a trade, price will just go boom, hit your stop loss, and then come back down or something. Yeah, like, or what you would do is you would just have a support like this or something, and then price would just break it, and then it would just never come back to retest it. That was the course basically, which I paid like $800 something for, Australian dollars. Again, you know, you'd have maybe a level like this, and it would just go boom, but then it would never retest properly. That was basically the whole course when I first started trading. Do I just do scalping? No, I do scalping, I do day trading, and I do swing trading. I'm a man of many talents. But then, you know, you would get shit like this. This is probably what I mean. So you'd have like a key level like this, right? You'd find your support level right there like that. You're a millionaire? How no, I'm not a millionaire. Not even close, brother. I make a normal salary. Like I would say, like, you know, a decent paying salary at the moment from trading, but definitely not a millionaire. No. To be a millionaire, I'd have to be making like 100 grand a month or something like that. How come trading is unlimited money earning? Yeah, I mean that's what the YouTubers will tell you. Well, I'm literally streaming on YouTube right now, but you know what I'm talking about. All right, so here's an example, right? So you draw up that level on the 4-hour time frame, very nice resistance level, right? Boom, boom, boom. Price breaks it, retest it. You go down to the lower time frame, like the 30-minute. You wait for rejection or something, and you wait for an engulfing candle. There's your bullish engulfing candle. You would enter on that, and then it starts below there, and then price would just come down and hit your stop loss. That's what would happen most of the time. So yeah, I basically paid $800 for that. So I basically got scammed. Am I in a trade right now? No, I'm not. I've taken all my trades this week. I'm not trading CPI. Sorry, PPI is in about an hour. So I will not be trading. But my results this week: 2.5k profit from the VIP Telegram. Sending out all the trades that I've taken this week right here. Day trades, swing trades. There, that's the results. Small loss here, a couple small losses here, then some nice big winners. $866 winner right there, and a $778 winner right there. USD CAD, USD JPY. And then on gold as well this week, from the V5 indicator, I took a few trades. Where is it? Right here. Took a few trades. Again, a couple small losses and a nice big winner, 1.8k winner. So about 1.5 profit for the week on gold, 2.5 for the week from Forex in the VIP Telegram, but just over 4k profit. What other gambling do I do? Good one, brother. I've never heard that one before, actually. It's well done. Must have it took you a long time to think of that one. Yeah, do it. I do, Mr. Z. I do have a free Telegram. If you're interested in that one. Post some stuff in here, some results. I'll also post some potential trade ideas. You know, some other stuff in there. So yeah, free Telegram. You'll find it in the link in my TikTok profile. Free Telegram is in there. Reese. Riot Squad. Appreciate the follows. I should do this, shouldn't I? What's the easiest platform to use for beginners? TradingView for sure. Question: I noticed all your pairs, blah, 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 except. Yeah, it is, Wayne. $4K per week. Well, it's not always 4K per week. Like this week obviously was a very good week. Last week I didn't trade the day trades swings at all, so there was no profit there, and it was basically break even, a few $100 loss. Last week, the week before that was also a very good week in the VIP Telegram channel, so that was a 2K week. Then I had a no trading week. Then I had a 2.5K week. So the last 3 weeks, the last month, it's been about 4.5 profit from the Telegram. And then on gold, it's been, let me have a look. The last, so it would have been like the start, the end of last month, start of this month. 2.8. The last 3 weeks been about 2.8 on gold, and you can see, like, you know, losses, wins, quite a few, you know, all small losses. Look at the losses, very small. Okay, it's not gonna focus. But yeah, for example, I'll read it out. Right, on gold, $146 loss, a $46 loss, a $2,400 win, an $85 loss, a $757 win, a $129 loss, a $43 win, a $489 loss, a $459 loss, a $58 loss, a $582 loss, a $1,800 win, a $72 loss, a $167 loss, and a $5 win. So in total, $2,800. After commission, $2,400. So that's been the last like month, the last three weeks, a month on on gold, and then 4.5 in the swing trades on Telegram. So it's not like a 4K week every single week consistently. It's like you have a very good week, and then you'll have like maybe like a break even or a slightly losing week. Then you have another great week, or then you have a small week, like a small winning week. Like it's not always consistently like 4K. Oh no, I trade black ball, Wayne, on my my swing trades. Like my day trading account is on black ball. You know something weird? Yesterday's down spike did not happen on black ball. What do you mean down spike? I can see it. I can see the down spike on black ball. Wait, no, that was the wrong one. Let me see. Oh yeah, you're right actually. I can actually have a look at it right here on TradingView. Black ball, gold. Let's have a look. So where exactly does it happen? Just before the second trading window there. Good news. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so it doesn't do the spike. It does a slight spike down, but then just goes straight up. I mean, it's just different brokers, different price feeds, I guess. Oh, really? So that actually worked out in your favor, that spike. Ah, interesting. What broker do you recommend for beginners? I mean, if you're a beginner, it doesn't really matter. Just open a demo account, find one with good spreads. I use Black Bull markets. There's FP markets. There's there is what else is there? What's some other good ones? IC markets. Pepperstone is a good one. Wait, have they taken Pepperstone off? Oh no, they haven't. There it is. I was gonna say, ooh, what did Pepperstone do? King Sad, appreciate the follow. Do you trade Forex? If so, what pairs have you seen good volatility? Yeah, I trade Forex, commodities, sometimes some indices as well, but good volatility, you can't go wrong with gold. Gold all day. What's the indicator? It is the V5 algorithm. Forex recorded V5 algorithm. Forex recorded algorithm V5. What am I talking about? I'm too tired, man. I'm tired and I need water. I'm tired and I need water. Water. How do you use it? It's basically just my strategy that's been coded. And you just add it to your charts. It gives you setup. So you can see right here that it gave this 15-minute signal earlier. Went up about 34 pips before it would have come down and hit break even. But you can see over to the right hand side, once the signal appears, it gives you the entry, the exact entry price, stop loss price, take profit 1 and take profit 2 price. You also get breakout levels, which is the level right here that you can see on the chart. This green level, key levels in the market. That's the other strategy. So the signals is one strategy. The breakouts is another strategy of key levels, and then there's also break and taps of AOI levels. But yeah. You add it to your chart, you get a whole V5 manual along with it, breaking down every feature, how to use it best, everything like that. So, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna head out. It's I need some sleep. I'm literally falling asleep sitting here. But yeah, appreciate you guys, man. 108 new followers on TikTok. It saved your ass. It saved your ass, did it, Wayne? That's crazy. I wonder, they must have a different price feed then. That's cool though. It's good. It's good that they didn't have the huge spike down. But yeah, if you guys, yeah, if you're interested, if you want the free Telegram, click the link in my profile. My free Telegram is in there, as well as all the other links. I'll be live again on Monday, should be. Let me just bring this back this way. I should be live again on Monday. Have a great weekend. If you guys want to, you know, see what I do on the weekends, I'm trying to post more to socials, but if you guys want to follow along on Instagram, Forex with Cody on Instagram. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Don't trade tonight. Wait for PPI. Trust me, just don't trade. Just don't trade. Do not trade. All right. I'm gonna enjoy the weekend with my fam. I got fam here from England at the moment that I haven't seen for years and years, so I'm spending some good quality time with them. So we'll be doing something this weekend. But yeah, appreciate you guys, man. Beautiful stream again. And I'll see you in the next one.